Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.com. I'm at my live active blog, Jupiter Jim's marketing team. And before we get started, I'd just like to ask you that if you do enjoy this video, please click the like button on YouTube, leave your comments on YouTube or my blog, and then feel free to share on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, StumbleUpon, or Google+. Okay, let's click here. This is the actual blog that I'm going to be creating the Facebook app or the Facebook application for. Okay, so this is the URL to the WordPress blog, WordPress website. So I'm just going to highlight that whole thing. I'm going to press Control-C to copy if you're in a Mac, Command-C. Now, these are social plugins, and in order to get these to work on your blog, you need to have a Facebook app, and I'm going to show you how to create that right now. So I'm going to click here. Now, this is the URL that you need to pay attention to. It says developers.facebook.com/apps. Okay, now, on the left are apps that I've already created. Many of them are just for testing or practicing. Some of them are real. If this is your first time going to a Facebook app page, it's going to look different than this one. It's going to ask you or request permission to access some basic data. You're going to click the Allow button. Then you'll come to another page and you'll see a button that says Create a New App, and that's what you're going to do. Just click that button. Type in the name of the app. Conventionally, typically, it's going to be the same name as the WordPress website that you're going to be installing the social plugins in or using the app on. So I'm just going to call this Jim's Max GXL Team. Okay, there you go. You can see to the right there in green it says it's valid. I'll click there. I'm going to click I agree. If you want to know what the policies are, click there, and then we'll click Continue. Type in the CAPTCHA. For me, this is the most difficult part. If it's too difficult to read, you can click right there where it says Try Another Text. Click Submit. There you go. Now you have the app ID right there at the top and then the app secret, and certain plugins will require that information, and that's why you need to create this Facebook app in the first place. Okay, it's under basic info, app display name is already filled in. You can skip app namespace, that's not important. Use a good contact email there. Skip app domain category, you can skip that, it's totally unimportant. Cloud services does not apply, and we're going to be using this Facebook app for a website, a WordPress website or blog. I'm going to right here paste in the URL or website address of the blog, which is Jim's Max GXL Team. So that's Control V if you're in a PC. That's Control V as in Control Victor if you're using a PC. Command V if you're in a Mac. Okay, once you're done with that, you're just going to click Save Changes. It says up here, changes saved. Note that your changes may take several minutes to propagate to all the servers. I'm going to scroll up and down again, and that's basically all there is. Okay, you've just created a Facebook app or application that you'll use on this website, Jim's Max GXL Team. Now, if I just go back up here, I can get rid of that. I'm going to hit Apps again, and you'll see that the app is listed and all that information you saw on the last page is right here. And this is the information, the app ID key and the app secret that you may need for certain social plugins that work with Facebook. And that's it, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, click like, leave your comments, share on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, what have you. Take care and have a great day.
The list view component works in a very similar way to the already existing list picker. We actually recommend to turn off the scrollable property in the screen because the list view can also be scrollable. So if both the list view and the screen are scrollable, there might be some conflicts. To add elements to the list view, you can use the elements from a string property, and you can put, for instance, 1, 2, 3. And you will see the elements pop up in the list view and also in the font. You could also use a filter bar, just like in the list picker. I'm going to add a label so that we can see how to work with the list view. And you will see that it's very, very simple. The list view has an after picking event, and it is here that you can access the data that was selected in the list view. So let's set the text of the label to the list view selection. It's the selection in here. So now if I use my phone and I click on 1, you will see 1, 2, and 3. In the list view, you can also access the selected index for the particular item that was clicked on the view. So we could do something like a join with an additional string, and we can place, for instance, the selection index and the selection and some kind of separator, for instance a colon. And now when I click on my phone, you will see the index plus the element 2 and 3.